very cool going on in Seaside this weekend. Do you know what's going on in Seaside this weekend? I bet you can't wait to hear what's going on in Seaside this weekend. Seaside, California is a sleepy little town on the Monterey Peninsula. Over the past few years, it's gone through a lot of changes. One of the things is the revitalization of Broadway and the downtown district, and the City Hall has become alive with so much going on. I don't know if any of you have been there, but they have the most beautiful art gallery. I think probably one of the best galleries on the peninsula, and it changes all the time. It's headed by Sandra Gray. And last year, I participated in the 12th annual Seaside Artists Association studio tour. Now, I had just started painting last year with my Sunday Ladies Amateur Painting Party, and so we decided to do it. And it was so much fun that we're doing it again this year. And what it is, this is the 13th annual Seaside Artists Association studio tour. And it's on Saturday and Sunday. You are invited to visit Seaside artists at their home studios. All of the art is made in Seaside, and you can buy the art directly from the artists. It starts at 11 and it ends at 5, Saturday and Sunday, May 4th and 5th. Saturday and Sunday, May 4th and 5th, the Seaside Artists Association Studio Tour. Remember, next week is Mother's Day, so give your mother the gift of art.